Welcome back to another episode of the Professor's Quick Tips. Today we're going to take a look at a utility in Windows that's been in there since Windows 7, which is called Problem Steps Recorder. And what Problem Steps Recorder was designed to do is it allows a user to track their steps to reproduce a problem. And it'll capture every interaction that you have with your system. So it's useful when you're communicating with tech support and you're trying to reproduce a problem. Rather than trying to explain over the phone what's going on, you can capture everything step by step. It's also useful if you want to create a reference guide for a procedure because it will display your step-by-step instructions. So to launch it, because it is tucked away in the system, I can go into the search and then type in problem steps, and it comes up as my control panel option, record steps to reproduce a problem. You can also go by the executable, which is just simply PSR for problem steps recorder. Either or will do the same thing. So as you can see, fairly simple interface. I can go in and say I want to start recording, and it's going to capture what I do. So I'm going to minimize it so it doesn't get in the way. And let's say I have to bring up Device Manager because I have a problem with something on my system. So I go in under Start, Control Panel, and notice these little red bursts that are popping up as it's capturing all my keystrokes. System and Security, under System, I'm going to go into Device Manager. And then I could select whatever it is that I'm having a problem with. So let's say it's the network adapter. I'm done with my capture, so I'm going to just stop the recording. Asks me where I want to save it, so I'm going to dump it out on my desktop. I'm just going to call it Device Manager, and I'll save. I'll close all my open windows, and let's take a look at the end results. So I'll open it up, saves it as a web page. As you can see, relatively small file size. I'll launch it, and notice it gives me my detailed breakdown as to what happened. So step number 1, clicked on Start, and highlights that in my screenshot as to where I was clicking. Second step, clicked on Control Panel, same idea, and so on. So it takes a look, System and Security, Device Manager, and then ultimately in Device Manager where I was expanding the network adapters. And it also captures the fact that I clicked on Problem Steps Recorder at the end when I went to shut it down. Now you can also get kind of an instant playback, if you will, by saying you want to view it as a slideshow. And it does walk you through all the procedures step by step. So that's all that there is to using Problem Steps Recorder. It's a great little documenting feature. Once again, I'd like to thank you for watching.